So guys, one of my YouTube channel, Good and Hunger, has completely lost its monetization in 2025. However, it was a pretty decent channel with a total income of $200,000. So I decided to do this guide for you guys to avoid such type of dumb mistakes I've been doing for over 5 past years in several languages in different niches. So just be sure to stick to the very end, drop the like, hit subscribe, and let's dive into. Before we start this policies analysis, you just must understand one simple rule. Google will never ever want to share with you any extra single penny that they actually can. Google is a commercial company, YouTube is a commercial product, right? They generate a lot of profits, and everything that you can see in estimate revenue column actually is the cost of Google, right? So they provide a revenue share model where 45% of revenue gets to the platform, but 55% of revenue gets to the author for you. That might sound like a pretty fair deal, right? But YouTube monetizes any single piece of content on their platform. They make money either from fraud content, from spam content, from any other kind of humiliating and violent content. So you see the difference, right? They don't delete this content. They just prefer not to share revenue with the author of such content. So it might sound a little bit hypocritical, right? And why do I even talk about this is that YouTube policies are not so transparent. As soon as your case lies on the border of eligible content or ineligible content to be monetized, YouTube will take into account their rule number 1. Just don't share any extra revenue if we cannot do that, okay? Okay, so let's jump to the second part. What do these guys say? You either must get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. It can be different if you are from the United States. You must understand that there are a bunch of perks that you must be suitable for to be eligible to YouTube monetization. And if you are just starting out, you might be thinking, okay, I will grab together some copyright-free, royalty-free music and videos. Like I will go to Suno AI, generate some piano music, then I will go to artlist.io. You will stick it together, render on your DaVinci Resolve, upload on YouTube with the title like piano music 8 hours for deep sleep and calm relaxation, and I will get monetized. Actually, no. If you have copyright-free content, it doesn't mean that you are free to monetize it. Why does it happen? Due to the law, you are actually free to compose any royalty-free materials and make money from it. It's totally okay. But YouTube policies say that you shouldn't use auto-generated content or the content that is being generated according to one scenario. That is not enough just to compose all royalty-free stock footages together. It's nothing to do with copyright issues, right? If you want to monetize your Suno AI generated piano music, you should just sit in front of piano and like move with your hands like you are playing it right now. No matter what are you doing, as soon as you generated this video in Sora 2, it is not recognized as a unique content. Even if you are playing so well in Counter-Strike Go, right? You're just have killing spree and 4 headshots in a row. It might be recognized as ununique content by YouTube moderators who don't want to share money with you, okay? You should just add yourself in the corner. And one more secret, you might not be playing in the same time. So if you just grab together some compilation of Counter-Strike video and act like you're playing it right now, yes, you probably will be eligible for monetization with such type of content. So that is actually a tricky part. You can monetize almost any content you can imagine, but at the same time, even if you are creating a pretty decent content, you cannot be eligible for monetization. Just one more example, my channel is Good and Hunger, is a cooking channel about Italian cuisine. We have been cooking lasagnas for over probably 2 years, and we generated a lot of money, yeah, with that channel. That's pretty nice. I have a lot of creators all over the world who send me this video and I conduct it together and post it on my channel like a distributor of content, right? And for over 1 month, I wasn't able to monetize this content because of reused content. Do you understand what I mean? So as soon as you even get the monetization, you can lose it if you don't face all the bunch of rules. But the main common reasons why you can be demonetized in 2026 or in 2027 is a rule of reused content. You cannot just recompile a lot of options of your different videos. Just look at some famous faceless channel like Beluga. Do you know Beluga channel? He is extremely popular, but I would say that his content is very complicated. I also love Rick's F1 Addiction. He makes review of Formula 1 videos without his face, but in fact, that his content is just a piece of diamond. That it's just so hard to collect so many memes on 1 square feet of his video. It's just an amazing quality, I would say. And he has nothing in common with these gameplay videos, right? With any other piano music generated by Suno AI, right? So in that reason, creating monetizable and authentic faceless channel becomes a pretty tricky and challenging part. So it doesn't matter at all whether you have some copyright rights to distribute any content or not. It's just about this authenticity that Google wants to see from you. It's no longer about law or any other copyright law or any other legal regulation. It's just about rules of YouTube that you must follow if you want to create monetizable content. And now you might be thinking, okay, I will give my authentic comment. I will do this author's commentary and I will get monetized finally. And probably you did that like I did on the YouTube channel 94 Feet. Actually, all videos on this channel are private now, but some of them that were very popular a couple of years ago, like 5 million, 1.5 million.
Decades. Ray Allen and the Boston Celtics championship team. After so many years in Boston...
So it's just not the compilation of NBA videos, it's just like a review, and our content was eligible for YouTube monetization, and for sure we got the YouTube monetization very fast. Just in 14 days, as soon as we got monetized, we just were cut off the suggestions at all. We got nothing from the reach. And that is a pretty common problem that actually be faced by a lot of guys who are creating faceless channel. The reason is that there are so many YouTube highlights channels on across all the platform. They don't suggest your video anymore as soon as you get monetized. Do you understand the logic? Yeah? Do you understand the rule number 1? Don't share any extra revenue. So we were so happy that we finally got to YouTube monetization, that we finally started to generate some income. But as soon as we were able to do that, YouTube decided just to swap our channel with another one without any YouTube monetization. And YouTube just tends to get impressions to channel who are still not eligible yet to get YouTube monetization, but as soon as they get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, they just cut off all the suggestions and choose another channels. But as soon as you create some service content, people choose this video not because of you, not because of the star behind of such video, but because of the problem they need to solve. YouTube just tends to switch and to recommend some videos when it's available that are not monetizable yet. Do you understand what I mean? That is why I have stopped doing this faceless YouTube channel. However, now we are doing AI Master channel. That is a educational channel about artificial intelligence, and it's fully generated by AI, but people use this content, people look this content. Some people are even the fans of our brand. We have even created our club and make a lot of money on that. I will speak a little bit later about that. But can you see the difference between this fully generated AI content and 94 Feet, right? Just in order to avoid this awful views cutoff, you have to provide something extra. You have to do something that makes people remember you. Something that make them, oh, this is this guy I've been watching last week. You must be noticeable. You just do something noticeable just to avoid this cut of the views. And the last but not the least that I wanted to share with you guys, probably you want to monetize your YouTube channel in order to make money. Why do you chase for these couple of bucks? Just look at our YouTube channel AI Master. Yeah, totally powered by AI YouTube channel. The last 28 days, our estimated revenue is only 7 grants, almost 8 grants. But we have created our club. That is just the club of our YouTube channel. And we said, like, if you want to support us and if you want some one extra video every week, just subscribe for us for $13 a month. And now we got $10,600 every 28 days. What is more, we have recurrent revenue, so even if we stop posting at one day, we will continue getting this money. Do you understand what I mean? And as soon as YouTube say that, like, okay guys, we are ready to pay you $13 for 1K views, It means that somebody is ready to pay 26 bucks for this 1k views, right? It means somebody is already able to make such money like 26 bucks from 1000 of your views. It literally means that you can just try to push these guys off your content. What do I mean? Why do you make money only from somebody's advertising, of somebody's marketing cost share, if you can invent your own product? And this product can be as simple as a pumpkin, like a club of your channel with one extra video every week and get an extra $10,000 from your content. Why chasing these 7 or 8 grants if you can get 11 extra, even without creating any other IT product, even without investing tons of money into brand new business? Just try to use the algorithm to promote yourself. That is where the point of creating one more faceless channel or one more AI channel comes just pointless, right? Instead of that, you could invest your time not into creating one more faceless garbage, but you could invest your time into creating one more digital product and make money from other YouTubers. That seems much more interesting in terms of business and in terms of any other. Guys, probably I sell a course, but not yet. The course is not ready yet as soon as I record in this video, but probably as soon as you are watching this video, you can see the link below and you are free to learn with me, to see my lessons. We are working together with Arthur, the host of Arthur Weiner channel, the host of AI Master channel, and if you can see the link, you are free to download our lessons and start making money on YouTube together with us, like I've described in this video. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I'm sorry for my English sometimes, I'm sorry for my accent. That is actually the first video I'm recording without a decent script, right? I'm just speaking from my heart, and it's pretty complicated because English is my third language. My name is Vladislav Kasiras. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the very end. See you in the next one. Bye bye.